Hi, Chris Weitzel here at 1300 Seagrave, Unit 4 in Woodstock. We're here at the store today cooking up easy meals, midweek meals, and I cannot get enough of this. This is a #2 seller in our store behind fresh salmon, and this is the frozen potato and cheese crusted cod. It's, to me, fairly inexpensive, 2 pieces between 12 and 13 bucks. But today, we're gonna use a healthy cooking method with our air fryer. This is gonna take about 25 minutes. I'm gonna start this up now on max 200 or 400 degrees. Crank that bad boy up to 30. And what we have here, individual portions, but I didn't tell you yet what we're gonna make. So we're gonna put these in the air fryer. Only gonna do a couple. To me, I just like the simplicity of that right there. In, that's it. Now, the cod, each portion has 160 calories, so for a portion of protein, and that is a 6-ounce portion. So, but what we're gonna do today is we're gonna make a Codwich. And this is so simple for you and the family. I like the brioche buns. I think that brioche just tastes good on pretty much anything. Lobster rolls, the Codwich here. The coleslaw here, I just got Mrs. Weitzel, Holly, to whip up hers. This stuff is actually really good if it sits a day or two, I find. I don't know why, but I just had a little bit of mozzarella cheese sitting in there. But look at that. So these here, nice, they got a nice crust to them. And of course, I'm gonna plug this every time. This is Braswell's Select Tangy Lemon Caper Sauce. This stuff is amazing as a dipping sauce. Forget your tartar sauce. Try this stuff out. It's $9.99 a bottle. You'll never regret it. You keep it in your fridge. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put this together onto our brioche bun. We're gonna put a little bit of the cheese first. Let that melt. Little bit of the coleslaw. Pile it up high. Get our bun, little push, quick cut. Can't wait. That's delicious. I love this stuff. But you really taste the cod in there. The crunchy from the potato cheese is awesome. Holly's coleslaw shines through, again, on a brioche bun. So anyways, remember, 160 calories for these. Not a terrible protein source with calories. But that's it. Easy midweek meal. You could fill this bad boy up with at least 4. Anyways, come by, 1300 Seagrave, Unit 4 in Woodstock. And remember, we're here to make your meals hook, line, and simple. Thanks.